Hi students, now I'm discussing about basic characteristics of computer. If you see the basic characteristics of a computer, the first one is speed, accuracy, diligence, reliability, memory, logical, versatility, automation, consistency, remembrance, power. Now we will see one by one. Come to the speed as a main characteristic of a computer. Computer's device speed is, of course, extremely fast as it can perform any calculations in seconds. So that is the reason this is the key characteristics of computer. It can open any website or application in a blink of an eye. The next characteristic is accuracy. It is an incredible characteristic of computers, which is their high level of accuracy. It is capable of performing 100% accurate calculations. So nothing in this world is perfect or accurate, but the computer proves this statement false with its precise result calculations and logic. The next one is diligence. Diligence of a computer is nothing but it is free of fatigue, and I can say it's a lack of concentration and so on. It can work for hours without making any mistakes. Next, move on to the reliability. A computer is a dependable machine that is capable of performing all tasks and operations at high speeds and with near perfect accuracy. Just like humans, computer software and hardware responds to the request or demands made by the users. The next one is memory. Memory on computers is comparable to that in the human brain. It is used to store data and also the directions. Computer memory is a storage space on the computer where data to be processed and processing instructions are stored. It has both primary and secondary memories. The task we are currently working on is saved in the main memory, and the task we saved is saved until we delete it. The next one is automation, is the use of technology to complete a task with a little human interaction as possible. In computing, automation is typically accomplished through the use of the program, a script, or a batch processing. Come to the consistency is the future of the characteristic of a computer. In this context of database, consistency means that data cannot be written because it would violate the database owns rules for valid data. Next, move on to the logical as a feature. Computer system has certain characteristics such as the capability of thinking, reasoning, and learning. These characteristics of computers helps them perform tasks logically. Come to the versatility. Because computers are so versatile, they can perform almost any task that can be reduced to a series of logical steps. It refers to the ability or adaptation to quickly switch from one task to another. Next, move on to the remembrance power. So this computer is capable of storing an unlimited amount of information or data. Any information can be stored and retrieved as long as you need it for an unlimited number of years. And that's all. Thank you.